The ball on my third eye. Lengthening my whole body here, lengthen my heels. Rest at the bottom, and then on the next breath out, when you're ready, push the ball up as far as you can. And on your breath, next breath out, relax down. So let's do this for maybe a total of 5. Breath out, I'm lifting up. Breath in here while I'm up. Breath out, I'm going down. Oh, I just felt a big release in my thoracic spine. Breathing into the nose down here at the rest. On the exhale, I push up into the back. Open my mouth, stick my tongue out. Breath in right here, pushing it up. Breath out. Flatten down, release. Breath in here, feel the belly button expand. Feel the rib cage expand. Breath out, push the ball up. My whole spine down to, I don't know, maybe T10 is off the ground. Breath in, breath out, down to the ground. Nice breath in here, feeling the relaxation, and have a breath out here in the rest position too. Okay, now from here, I'm going to demonstrate something for you, and it's probably best for you to watch, because there's a question of how to get up from here if you're doing this and you want to keep the ball on your head. So is everyone watching here? Katie, maybe you can already do this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up into a plow pose, I guess it is, and then I'm going to begin to rock a bit, and I'm going to come up like that into a seated pose. We can go to narrow leg, whichever we like. I like to focus, at least at first, on really feeling my armpits over my knees as my main thing, and then straightening my legs over time with these breaths. And here again, I'm basically in an isometric. Well, I'm in an isometric and I'm pushing the ball up 1 millimeter. That's always what I'm doing on my exhales. And sink down as much as we can here, and normally what I'll do is I'll try to sink down for maybe 12 breaths, get as far down as I can. We won't do 12 whole breaths here, but what I'll do from here is then I'll come up on my exhale, just like this, using my whole back line. Come up 1 vertebrae at a time, back to the base posture. So that's a good one. Just for people with back pain, just doing reps of this right here is a life changer. Using your head for more than thinking. And when we challenge our head, we start to wake up the whole cervical spine, and there is a cascade of benefits you can learn all about if you go to jingpalace.com. And if you'd like to work with me one-on-one to tailor this to exactly what you need, that is what I do. And if you are a subscriber to jingpalace.com, it's only $5 a month, you can work with me for half price. It will also get you half price on all my workshops, the classes I teach, and upcoming retreats. So stay tuned at jingpalace.com, and free subscribers can see all the content. Paid subscribers work with me half price. Feel better, look younger, and live longer at jingpalace.com.